It's raining technology, and there's the clouds, and a cloud is blocking the sun, and the sky's gray because it's raining technology. And there's this guy who caught a camera because it fell from the sky, and he has two people raising their arms to try to catch things in the house and the ground.